Hey everyone, it's Barb. This is my creation of the bristlebot from this week. Just so you know, this is attempt number 3 to record this, which tells you exactly what kind of day I am having. So, a bristlebot is powered by a battery or some type of alternate source of power source, and the pipe cleaners are almost like roll bars, so our bot does not fall over. My favorite part of this was putting on the eyes. It gives it sheer personality, and I think our students would have a blast creating their own robot, whether it replicates them or somebody else. I chose to name my bot Frank. No particular reason, just thought it was a fun name. When I was determining how I was going to imagine and plan, I thought, well, more power. Everything's better, bigger, right? So I went into Amazon and ordered this amazing DIY stem kit full of gears and wheels and propellers and a 3-volt battery. Well, as you could tell from the picture, it's a little too big for Frank. Frank would probably have motion sickness for a long time if I tried to use this 3-volt battery versus the this 3-volt motor versus the little motor that was sent to us in the kit. One really cool thing about this stem kit is, do you notice the off and on switch in the middle there? Well worth, I think, the $10 I spent on the kit from Amazon. So the next plan was a bigger bristle, fingernail brush or a scrub brush. But then I thought, well, that's still going to give just the same thing, a vibrating bot, and that's really not going to have the kids investigate anything more than it still vibrates and moves. So the last part was to create a different, or use a different power source. They can use the solar panels that you see in the image that I took from Science Buddies, the site that I got the idea from. They can use perhaps even a potato. They can use any kind of alternate power source that we find suitable, which also is another way of investigating STEM and understanding things about our environment. This was a really fun project. I think the kids would just enjoy this as an intro into robotics and into power in general. One of the STEM projects I picked was a electronics with different circuits and stuff. I think that's very important for students to understand how all that works in their phones and their games and just house power in general. The next 2 slides are all the information that we need for Vasquez and Jolie, so please feel free to take the time to read over those. Okay, I will chat with you all next week. Have a great week.